And while marketing is fun and all, what I find is that in my own personal experience, there's all these limitations that you run into when you're basically just using somebody else's platforms or software. For example, I use WordPress extensively, like for many, many years now, well over 12, 13, 14 years. And because of that, I'm very comfortable with it. But there's limitations as far as what you can get done with WordPress or even Shopify or even with Wix or whatever marketing solution that you use, whatever hosting domain platform that you use, such as even Go High Level. They have their own website development tools, but they're still limited because they're once in a while there's going to be like that thing that you want to do. And in the past, the only way was to potentially get yourself a full-blown developer, go on Fiverr, go on freelancer.com and have them program for you. And then ultimately what happens is that within like a couple of days, they come back to you and they say, hey, I need more money. Like, I need more money, more time. And from there, it just goes down into this rabbit hole of whether you want to pursue the idea or not. So since the age of AI now, where basically AI can do everything for you, in the last 6 weeks, we learned that it can develop our keywords, it can develop our landing pages, right? It can develop our, what else do we have? Our strategies, our campaign strategies, our text titles, our headlines, our descriptions, pretty much like even our images. Why not use it to develop our SaaS solutions as well? Right? We are literally able to program our own solutions. Now, some of you actually have the PPC Basic plugin, and that plugin I created over the course of like at least 3 years of my own, talking to the AI and stuff. I basically developed it over the course of 3 years. Now, since then, obviously, it gets even better and better and better and better and better over time, what the AI can do in particular, which allows me to augment the plugin itself as well and solve problems that I'm having with my own marketing. For example, finding a solution to something that I need in the marketing. So within the PPC Basic plugin, the reason that I built it wasn't necessarily to sell it, like ultimately that came later, but was to solve a lot of the problems that I was facing in my own marketing. For example, I wanted a solution to display the person who's visiting the website, right? I wanted to show them, hey, welcome. We have locksmith services in your city, in Los Angeles, California, right? Because that person is coming from Los Angeles, California. Or for example,